Hi friends, welcome to our channel Farmer Geeks. World Bee Day is observed across the globe on May 20th. Purpose and significance of Bee Day. The main purpose of this World Bee Day is to acknowledge the role of bees and other pollinators for the ecosystem. This year, Bee Day will fall during a moment in history where many nations across the globe continue to deal with the havoc of COVID-19 pandemic. This year, in its fourth observance of this International Day, FAO is organizing a virtual event on 20th May 2021 with the theme Be Engaged, Build Back Better for Bees. It will highlight the importance of traditional knowledge related to beekeeping, the use of bee derived products and services, and their importance in achieving the SDGs. The aim of this event will call for global cooperation and solidarity to counter the threats posed by the COVID-19 pandemic to agricultural livelihoods and food security, alongside prioritizing environmental regeneration and pollinators protection. To raise awareness of the importance of pollinators, the threats they face, and their important role to the sustainable development, this day is an occasion to spread awareness of how each individual can make a difference to support, restore, and enhance the role of pollinators. Main threats to our pollinators. As per reports, pollinators affects approximately 35% of the world's crop production, increasing outputs of 87 of the leading food crops globally, plus many plant derived medicines, but everything is at stake right now due to sudden decrease in the numbers of bees. Pollinators like bees, butterflies, bats, and hummingbirds are increasingly under the threat from human activities. The main threats faced by our pollinators are habitat loss, degradation, and fragmentations. As native species of plants are replaced by manicured lawns, crops, and non-native gardens, pollinators lose the food supply and nesting sites that are crucial for their survival. Another reason of this decline is the improper and unconscious use of pesticides. Pesticides such as insecticides and weed killers, which are manufactured to destroy, prevent, repel, or reduce pests such as insects, mice, and other animals, weeds, fungi, bacteria, and viruses. Nowadays, pesticides are aggressively used in nearly every home, business, farm, school, hospital, and park, and are found almost everywhere in our environment. This is a matter of concern for all of us. Other factors like intensive farming practices, land use change, monocropping, and higher temperatures associated with climate change all causes problems for bee populations. Pollination is considered as a fundamental process for the survival of our entire ecosystem. Approximately 90% of the world's wild flowering plant species depend entirely or at least in part on animal pollination, along with more than 75% of the world's food crop and 35% of the global agricultural land. Therefore, pollinators not only contribute directly to the food security, but they are also the key players in biodiversity conservation. As we know, bees are under threat. According to reports, present species extinction rates are 100 to 1000 times higher than normal due to human impacts. If this trend continues, our nutritious crops such as fruits, nuts, and many other vegetable crops will be substituted increasingly by staple crops like rice, corn, and potatoes. Eventually, harming our balanced diet system, as we all depend on pollinators, and it is therefore essential to monitor their decline and halt the loss of biodiversity. Now it is high time to rethink how we relate to nature and pollinators, and what action we can take to support this teeny species and millions of livelihoods that depend on them. Thank you for watching our channel. Farmer Geeks, do subscribe, please.